Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today we're going on a journey to explore the fascinating realm of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to unravel the mysteries of the past perfect simple tense.
Ooh, that's a good one.
We've got some really insightful material on this, and I'm really excited to get into it with you.
I think a lot of people find tenses to be one of the trickier parts of English, especially for those who aren't native speakers.
Yeah, definitely. It can seem a bit daunting at first.
It can be a little dry sometimes, but I think what we're going to look at today is really quite interesting. Understanding the past perfect simple is kind of like unlocking a secret code that lets you express the sequence of events in the past with incredible precision.
I like that secret code analogy.
Yep.
So could you maybe break down for us how this past perfect simple tense actually works?
Sure. So basically, imagine you're telling a story about something that happened in the past. The past perfect simple helps us understand which action happened first.
Okay.
It's all about the order of events.
So like a timeline.
Exactly. You're establishing a clear timeline of what happened when.
Got it.
So for instance, let's say you missed your bus.
A classic problem. Happens to the best of us.
You could say, I missed my bus because I had woken up late.
Perfect example. That's so clear.
It shows that the waking up late happened before the missing of the bus.
Right, so there's that had in there.
Exactly.
He had woken up.
That had is what signifies that this action happened before the other past action.
I see. So just using woke up versus had woken up makes a big difference.
A huge difference. It changes the whole meaning of the sentence.
The information we have also talks about the present perfect simple. Can you maybe clarify how that's different from the past perfect simple?
Absolutely. So the present perfect simple still deals with the past, but it connects a past action to the present in some way.
Interesting.
Whereas the past perfect simple is all about the order of events within the past itself.
Okay, so one links to the present and the other is just about the past.
Exactly.
Can you give us an example to illustrate that?
Of course. So let's stick with the living in London example. If you say, I have lived in London for 5 years, that implies you're still living there now.
Right. The action started in the past, but it's still ongoing.
Exactly. That's the present perfect simple at work. Now, if you said, I had lived in London for 5 years before I moved to Paris,
Okay.
then that means living in London was a completed action in the past that happened before another past action, moving to Paris.
Wow, that's actually so much clearer now. The present perfect simple links to now, and the past perfect simple is about ordering actions within the past.
You got it.
I'm really glad we broke that down.
It's a subtle difference, but it's important,
It is.
especially if you want to be really precise with your English.
This has been really helpful.
My pleasure. I'm always happy to talk about grammar.
If anyone wants to explore this even further, you could look into how the past perfect simple is used with time clauses, like
Yeah.
after or before.
That adds a whole other layer of nuance.
It's amazing how much depth there is to English grammar.
It really is.
It's like a never-ending puzzle.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for this great explanation.
You're very welcome.
And friends of the show, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into all sorts of interesting topics.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.